Friends, it's time to eat. This might have been the one that I was looking forward to most, honestly. It's the lemon meringue pie, golden crusted brown sugar cookie, sweet lemon ice cream with a marshmallow cream. Okay, I love lemon. There is not a lemon thing that I don't like. I'm gonna tell you that right now, okay? It's beautiful. It's got like a yellowy ice cream look. Oh my God, I'm having so many problems. I got crumbs everywhere. Look at this. Oh, okay. Once again, Nick and I always share. I'm actually just gonna take off a little piece. I went to high tea with my mom today and I'm so full. This is what it looks like. Okay, here we go. Wow, that is really light and refreshing. Oh, wait, shoot. It's not too sweet. I can taste the marshmallow. Hold the phone. This is very good. Where does this rank on my list? Oh my God. Nightingale, this needs to stay around. Wow. Wow. Wait. This is my favorite. No, this is my favorite. That's a big, profound statement. This is my favorite. Is it limited edition? Oh, I hope not. It is. Oh! I don't know. This is like my favorite cookie so far, too. And I think it's the same cookie as the peach. Wow. These people, like the best ice cream ever. When I go to the East Coast, I need to see where these are made. Oh my gosh.